Volkswagen Passat, just removing the water pump. As I said, it's easy once you've got all this out of the way. Look at that, loads of room. Sometimes these come out easy, other times they're stuck. So let's hope for the best. They're all out.
Well, you know what? I think but the best way to check is...
Have a look at the new one. Best way to check is look at the new one. And how many holes in the new one? We've got 3 holes in the new one. Look at that. Let's look at the back. Is that metal impeller?
Plastic.
Plastic impellers.
Oh no.
Is it metal? Oh, it's metal, is it?
Metal.
There you go, metal impeller. Not too bad, is it? But even then, they corrode. Depends what it's made of. Titanium. Very much doubt it. I've only had one car, I think, in my 30 odd years of... Oh, 30? God, 40 maybe. 40 years of fixing and repairing vehicles. I think I've only come across one, or maybe 2, that the impeller is totally and utterly melted off the water pump completely. But they were old cars, so it was expected really. And
That's what we're around for.
there we go, now we've got a rubber mallet. That's it.
That can come out of the way as well. So.
Yeah.
I might have to prise it out. They are tight.
Take the tensioner out for the cam belt. Gives us more swing.
We've got a new tensioner, haven't we?
Got what? New what?
Tensioner.
Okay, so he taps it out. Yep. Okay, enough of that.
It moved.
Oh, it's moved, yeah? Okay.
Don't really want to be on video using this one. Cheers. Can jinx ourselves, have we?
Go and get the metal hammer.
Still. Turn that on. You only have that on, can't you?